Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Turo host account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on a computer or unlock your phone to use the Turo app. If you are on a computer, go to Turo.com and make sure the address is spelled correctly. If you are on a phone, open the Turo app and update it from the App Store or Google Play if needed. Check that you have a stable internet connection before you continue. On the Turo website, find the login button at the top right of the page. On the Turo app, tap Login on the first screen or from the menu if you are logged out. Choose the sign-in method that matches how you created your account, such as email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you use email, type your email address carefully and then tap or click Continue. Enter your password and double-check for typos, especially uppercase letters. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password and follow the reset link sent to your email. Open the password reset email, click the link, and create a new strong password you can remember. Return to the Turo sign-in screen and log in again using your updated password. If you use Google, select Continue with Google and choose the correct Google account. If you use Apple, select Continue with Apple and complete Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple password. If you use Facebook, select Continue with Facebook and confirm the correct Facebook profile is selected. When prompted, complete any security check or verification step shown on the screen. If Turo asks for a verification code, open your email or SMS messages and copy the code exactly. Paste or enter the code into Turo and submit it to finish verification. After signing in, open the menu and switch to host mode if you are viewing the guest interface. Look for options like Hosting, Host Dashboard, or switch to Hosting and select it. Confirm you can see your host tools such as your listings, calendar, and messages. If you cannot access host features, verify you are signed in to the correct account email. Check your profile name and email in account settings to confirm it matches your host account. If the page keeps loading or shows an error, refresh the page or fully close and reopen the app. Clear your browser cache or try a different browser if the website sign-in does not work. Disable VPN or ad blockers temporarily if they interfere with the sign-in page. If you still cannot sign in, contact Turo support from the help section and describe the error message. Once you are signed in, consider enabling two-step verification for better account security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.